How to invite someone on Clickup. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on your workspace in the top left corner, so as you can see here. And then what you're gonna have to do in order to invite someone is simply click on manage users. Now the next step is to simply invite them by email. So simply enter their email address that they are using with their ClickUp accounts, as you can see in my case this one here, and then simply choose uh, what do you want basically these accounts to have access to your project. So as you can see, a simple member, access to public spaces, docs and dashboards. Guests cannot be added to spaces, must be invited to folders, list and task. And then you have the admin one. After you choose here, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on invite, and then they're gonna receive an email invitation, and basically they're gonna have to simply accept it, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.